What's up, guys? This is Ronnie. Welcome back to our channel, Total Technology. So, for last 1 or 2 months, actually, I was doing this report lab tutorial. So I got like more than let's say I think between 5 or 10 emails on average daily basis. They are actually requesting that you are creating this tutorial based on. Like how to create PDF, how to create some sort of like design within the PDF or template, how to draw like different sort of like geometrical figure. Why can't you upload some sort of tutorial where actually like it is possible kind of like to get something from PDF, like kind of PDF extraction tool using Python or PDF extractor using Python. Like let's say you are having one PDF file and some texts are written inside the PDF and some images. So I got like many requests, like is it possible to get the data or get the text or get the images from PDF, because there are not much tutorial available in like YouTube or somewhere. But guys, like I found this tutorials are actually there in Stack Overflow or GitHub. You have to do some like proper Google search. There are multiple libraries up there, but yes, YouTube is not the place for searching each and everything. But again, I got many requests, so I thought of just creating those tutorial. The request is actually is very high. Like I think I received let's say 100 emails on that. So I thought of like actually last week actually I thought of like publishing those tutorials, but I didn't get much time. But this week like I came early, so I thought of creating this video. So like first part, this video is going to be in two part. Like it's a very basic things. I'm not going to do each and every details using this thing. I'll just give you guys the high level skeleton and main things. Like based on that you can actually create some other things depending on your requirement. In first part I'll show you how to extract text data from your PDF, and the second part I'll show you how to get some images inside. If image is available inside your PDF, how to extract that. Okay, so in first part, like how to extract text data from PDF. So when you say PDF has to be like let's say searchable. Like if you scan some PDF and after that if you upload this thing and after that you try to do like the same thing using the same piece of code which I'm going to discuss or write, this will not work. So in that case you have to use some other library, like that is going to be image. From image you have to convert into text. So for that you have to do some sort of like computer vision or tessat library. Okay, but that is not going to work with this code. So in this case I'll be using py pdf2 library. Okay, so before that I have to install actually. So let me install pip install, like let's say py pdf2. Okay, it's already satisfied because I was doing some sort of R&Ds, like not now, like probably 5 months ago. So let's import this thing first. Done. Now let's create on file object. Can I have some file here, a pdf.pdf. I'm just giving like that name. I just downloaded from Google actually, and I'd like to open the file as a binary mode, read binary. So it is going to be read rb, and from there let's create our py-pdf object. Like let's say I think let's give some other name. If p equals to pdf file reader, and then you have to give this thing. Well, now we'll see how to get the number of file. Okay, sorry, number of pages inside your PBL. So for that there is a method available, like num pages 5. So it is showing our PDF. This file is having 5 pages. Let's open that file first. It's opening. See 5 images, 5 pages up there. Okay, so this is one thing. Like how to get number of pages from PDF. So guys, this is actually, in this video I'll be going to discuss about like how to extract text data, or how to extract data from PDF. Okay, so next thing is that let's say I want to see like how many or let's say I want to see how many no, if it's done, let's say I want to see like the text from first page. So first means 0. Okay, so let's say x is equals to, let's say ap dot like uh, get page 0 and x dot extract text. Now this will throw not throw, this will actually write the text available here. Okay, so see, this means the new line like 1 2 3, so starts from the third paragraph. So if I open it here, so it starts from here, the PDF suite 9 of products, the PDF suite of products actually are not extracting image, so that is why this is not coming. So let's say if you do it for second page, let's say, or third page, 0 means 1 1 third, let's say, let's do it for third page. Well, this is also working, but some sort of formatting is required, guys. So as I told you, I'm not going to explain each and every details. Like you guys can just go through the documentation of this library. Like this library, everything is mentioned over there. You have to just search with PyPDF2. Let me just open this thing over here, then it will be easier to understand. Like PyPDF2 documentation. So if you go here, everything is mentioned over here. Okay, so you don't have to worry about this. Like here, everything is mentioned over here. Okay, you have to just uh, go through the documentation, because whenever required I just do like same thing, I just do the same thing, like I go directly to the documentation, because there is no possible to remember each and everything, because there are thousands of libraries are available. Just because you guys are requesting like many times, I thought of creating this tutorial so that it will be easier for you guys to understand like which library should be used for which purpose. Okay, so this is one part completed, and probably next part I think I should do it in a next video. I'm not sure. I think I can do it in this video only. Okay, well, so this is one thing how to, and this is like read from specific page, and this is like converting into text data. Okay, guys, I think I should create another video. This is not going to be like it, then or else it will become very much lengthy. So this is, let me just separate everything. This is going to be like normal text, like extractions. In the next video I'll do like image extraction from PDF. Okay, how to extract images from PDF, kind of a tutorial. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and definitely those are actually requested for them. Actually, it is also helpful. Guys, please let me know and put some comments. Like those are actually requesting for last 2 weeks or maybe more than that. I want each and everyone like I want from each and everyone of you should put your comments on top of the on below of the video. Like I would like to know actually you guys are actually really following the channel or not, because I created this video like I was not planned, but just because you guys was requesting I just created this thing. So guys, anyways, definitely it will help some other viewers as well. So if you still if you guys are still feeling that something else is required or missing, just do let me know, I'll try to do it. Okay, so that's all guys, that's all for today. Hope to see you in the next video. Till then, take care, goodbye, and don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. Those are actually newcomer into come to our channel, guys. Take care, goodbye.